I got a mouth guard now.
There you go, bro.
Yeah. I was trying to figure out what's up. Our missing link, baby.
What's up, boss?
Good form, and then
Half court! saw your cousins.
Really? Where?
Where's my discount?
Half court.
Oh, you were never there when I got there.
Go, Jesse.
I think, right?
Yeah.
These are not enough players.
Is that trying to win or?
Go, Jesse! Let's go, Jesse! Oh, nice game!
No, it's like
All right, Coach Jim, how did we do?
I felt like we did great. Great first half. We had the lead. They crept back in, with size, but in the end, no injuries. We're healthy. We learned from it. We told ourselves, win or lose, we have brotherhood. So I think we scored our career high in points, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So overall, it's a good win.
Hey, we had the lead. How'd that feel?
It felt good. Too bad when I came and I gave it up.
How was it to have Ryan?
Man, Ryan's great because he's someone you can kind of give the ball to and rely on him heavily. So Ryan, if you're listening to this, thank you so much for being that guy. We put a lot of pressure on you, but you stood up to the challenge, and we're super appreciative of you. Thank you, Ryan. Adrian, co-captain of our team. Thoughts on that game against the largest size team of the league?
This is the first time I got really emotional. I feel like it took a little more out of our team to compete with them at that level. They're big boys who can move really fast. And it was really frustrating, but it felt so good to have the lead. I checked the scoreboard a couple times. That was really nice.
Thoughts on having an 8-man lineup opposed to like our 10, 11-man lineup?
I can understand the challenge as a coach to balance minutes, and I feel like it was easier, in my opinion, because everyone knew that they needed to get the rotation. You could see it, they feel it. Whereas suppose you have too many people, it's like, it's your responsibility as a coach, which is why we gave it to you. Gave it to you, Jim. But I feel like the flow was really nice. But also it also comes with us getting to know each other, so it was more of like a product of us having more games. It's like we know everyone's tells now when they're tired. We know it's the hands going down. It's less about you. Like nobody wants to say they're tired, but having practical like, hey, if their hands are up, that's a cue. So I feel like our team actually rotated a lot.
From week 1 being new to week 4 today, What are some positives that you see out of that?
I feel like our team's heartbeat is beyond just winning on the court. I feel like we're doing a lot of hard work, and I think we're fighting for something. I feel like everyone knows what they're fighting for, and we're protecting something. And I think it feels like we're going to the battlefield as brothers in arms, and it feels really good that from week 1 to week 4, week 1 was like, are these people? It's like proving who's better. Week 4 is like, I know your strength and I know your weakness, and I'm gonna cover for you. And it feels like we're more in synergy, and I'm really, really proud of our team.
New guy on the team, Ryan, obviously implementing him in a week 4 after having, obviously cohesiveness with the current team. Thoughts on Ryan being that great addition to the team?
I've known Ryan for 10 years, and it was nice to have Ryan. As good as he is, he gave us really practical tips on how to adjust, so I really appreciated that. I think it's really important to create space to tell people, hey, your actions have an impact on me,
Amen.
so that you can attune to each other and then move forward. If you keep things bottled up, it's only going to create awkwardness, and my priority is to make sure that our team has synergy. And I think as we attune and as we become honest with each other, it feels less like we're trying to prove that we're better. It feels like we're just trying to prove that, like, man, we don't got it together and we need more teamwork. So it really feels like a team effort, and I'm really proud of our team. But in this counterculture of a team, I think we're doing it right.
Amen.
And we're falling forward. So.
Amen.
Yeah.
Falling forward, I love that. Good word.